Did you know that one firefighter's choice to risk everything saved hundreds of lives and changed his career forever? Captain Frank Rodriguez thought he was doing routine inspections, but what he found in low-income apartment buildings shocked him. Illegal wiring everywhere, emergency exits blocked with junk, sprinkler systems turned off completely. Hundreds of families were living in death traps. When Frank filed his reports, his fire chief pulled him aside. "Stop writing these up or you'll lose your pension." The chief was taking money from landlords to look the other way. Frank had a family to feed. His pension meant everything. But he couldn't sleep knowing those families were in danger. During a massive apartment fire, Frank secretly recorded evidence while fighting the flames. He sent everything to state investigators. The corrupt officials went to jail. Real safety reforms got passed. And Frank? He was promoted to regional fire safety inspector with power to enforce changes across multiple districts. His courage didn't just save lives, it built the career he'd always dreamed of. Sometimes doing right pays off in ways you never expected.